So students, let's continue with the shape of cells. So there are various shape. Okay. uh, Irregular amoeba, amoeba, irregular, muscles fiber, spindle shape. It is spindle shape. And what else? Columnar cell. So till now we have studied lots of cells, so no need to explain. But one thing I've for RBC of mammals, it is flattened. Enucleate. RBC of mammals. This we will discuss in circulatory system in detail. Okay, the structure and shape. And RBC of frog. It's like okay, RBC of frog. Collar like shape. Conocytes, where we have studied porifera. Porifer, okay. Conocytes, what is the function of conocytes? Collar like. So various shape, now you can see, do it by yourself remaining. Okay, types of cell. You have to draw of WBC का बना लेना, draw by yourself. Okay, and guard cell you have to draw. WBC guard cell. Now types of cell. Prokaryotic, it's a basic cheese, it's just for your uh, recall, just recall all these things. Pro means primitive, and carry on means nucleus. And U means advance. Okay, so primitive nucleus, example is here, bacteria. And here the example is plant, animal, etc. Okay, next is what, one more example, bacteria mononeurons. Third is in prokaryotes, no membrane bound structure. No membrane bound structure means organelle absent. No membrane bound structure. Okay, just like you can say Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and in this organelles are present. But rhizosome is present in both cases because it is not membrane bound structure. Mitochondria is a membrane bound structure. Ribosome present in both. We'll study in detail. Then come to number of cells. It is two types. Unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular means only one cell. Example, amoeba, chlamydomonas, paramecium. Okay, and in multicellular, many cells. No need to write it by yourself. Many cells. And very important things, multicellular, it shows division of labor. It means every system perform its own work and coordinate with each other. For example, digestive system, उसका अपना काम है digestion का. Digestive system no need to worry about respiration, oxygen आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, for same as condition for respiratory system, it will perform its own function. ओके अब ग्लूकोज आया कि नहीं आया वो उसका वर्क नहीं है. तो जितने भी सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम उनका अपना अलग वर्क है, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम अलग वर्क, एंड नर्वस सिस्टम दे हैव देयर ओन वर्क. सो इट शो डिवीजन ऑफ लेयर. ईच एंड एवरी सिस्टम हैज़ देयर ओन work and they coordinate with each other. So let me write every system doing its own work, doing its own work and coordinate with each other. So students, this is all about next video we'll start plasma membrane structure, everything. Okay.